I'm feeling my way through the quiet, trying to find where I belong. Don't know how far I've got to go, but I know I've got to stay strong. People say I'm dreaming too loud, that maybe I should slow it down. But I can't just sit and wait around. I won't stop till I found. So here I am, still standing, still trying when the night feels long and the road's unwinding. All this time I was holding on and I didn't know how much I'd grown. Here I am, still chasing and fighting when the world feels cold, but my heart's still lighting. All this time I was holding on and I didn't know how much I'd grown. I'm walking this road through the shadows, trying to hold on to my flame. Don't know how long I'll have to fight, but I know I'll keep burning bright. They tell me to lower my sight,